In this video we will learn how to install Office 365 and sign into your Microsoft Office such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint using the Microsoft account you used to download the Office 365 from the previous video. Before we get started, make sure also that you have the admin rights to your computer or know the username and password which has the admin rights. If you have all these, then proceed with the video. Open and run the Office Setup.exe or the Office application file that you downloaded. A user account control may prompt you to enter the username and password which has admin rights to the computer, then click Yes. Please be patient as it may take some time to install the package. With that, let me fast forward the time while enjoying the music. Congratulations! You just successfully installed the Office 365, but we are not done yet. Let's go ahead and sign into your Office tools by simply clicking the Start button, search and open Microsoft Word. On the upper right-hand side, click Sign In. Read the privacy statement and click Close. On the bottom left, click Account. Notice that there are 7 Microsoft 365 apps under your subscription. On the left side, click Sign In. Type the work email address provided by Miss Honey or the username you used to download the Office 365, and then click Next. Enter the password and then click Sign In. Enable the Stay Signed Into All Your Apps so that Windows will remember your account and automatically sign you into your apps and websites on this device. This will reduce the number of times you are asked to log in. Click OK. You're all set, click Done. On the upper right, you can now see your name indicating that you are now signed in.